Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. There was a sale. Many stories of mine start with there was a sale. There was a sale at Lois Cosmetics, and I've been coveting this palette for a long time. It's called Meet Me in the Underworld, and the color story is absolutely gorgeous. Barking gorgeous. And I've been wanting this palette for like a really long time. It's more than a year old. But they had a half off birthday sale and I was like, it's mine. So we're going to do a look today with the Meet Me in the Underground palette. I might go for the mauvies, maybe the greenies. I don't know. I'm wearing this shirt tonight to dinner. It's sparkly. We love sparkly. Makes me want to wear my silver cowboy boots, but I'm probably not. I'm going to start with a beautiful color, and it's going to be so hard. Footsteps, this dusty mauve. So anyway, we're going out to dinner with my friend and her boyfriend, and it's our first time on a double date. So that's exciting. They've been together over a year, and we were supposed to go out around my birthday last year, which was July, and that didn't happen. And so finally we're getting around to it. And we're having a meeting of the minds, a meeting of the beaux. Of course, I've been with Rome for like a long time, and she's been with him for a year, and that's a long time. So it's really exciting that we get to go out to dinner, shoot the shit. And I'm sorry about the lisp, but it's this prosthetic tooth thing. Because I broke my tooth a while back, if you don't remember. And it's been pretty awful. I miss it. Miss having a tooth. But I'm getting a partial made at the dental school, and that's just going to take a while. So when I do my lipstick, I have to have this in or my lipstick doesn't go on right. So that's the story with that. I'm going to go into Poetry. It's a shimmer. Ooh, look how it picked up so beautifully. I'm going to put that in the crease and out and down the side of the eye. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful shimmer. I'm so glad I got this palette. I really wanted it since it came out. But it's from the UK and shipping was like $13, and it was, you know, indie palettes are not the cheapest palettes because they're made with love, and it's a small company, so they don't have a way to, you know, make the prices great for everybody. You know, well, a lot of big brands don't make the prices great for everybody, but just one of those things. I'm going to go in with Tragic Love on the outside corner. Oh, that's beautiful. That's really pretty. That is a beautiful, beautiful color. I carry it down. I'm going to go into the lightest shade, Eurydice, something like that. With my finger, put it on my lid. That's really beautiful. And this is all about Hades and Persephone and Orpheus. It's about the Greek story of Persephone going to Hades. And she's supposed to be released in the spring. And that's where we get springtime from, is from where Persephone comes up from Hades. And she gets to make beautiful flowers in springtime everywhere. I'm going to use the Stila double-ended liner for my eyeliner. It is nice dark black. And it makes a great line. I love making a little wing. It really brings the eye look completely together. And I'm going to use the Sky High Mascara from Maybelline. And this is good, especially after a couple coats. It's great drugstore mascara. I love it. It lengthens and defines. Let's do another coat. And that is a beautiful mascara. And now for my lip. My eyeshadow matches my hair. That's so cool. Got a little smudge of mascara on my makeup. Let me fix that real quick. All right, that is taken care of. I'm going to go with a darker lip. I'm going to go with 115, which is Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink Founder. That's going to work perfect. That looks great. I feel so pretty. I'm so glad that I got the Lois Cosmetics Meet Me in the Underground palette. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.